afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question, question number 38. And to this question, the instruction here says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that is nearest in meaning to the word in italics. And this instruction is to answer question 31 to 40 under this English examination paper. And this is question number 38, and the word in italics is what we call affirmed. Affirm is italicized in this statement or this sentence, and the sentence says the witness affirmed his testimony during cross-examination. The witness affirmed his testimony during his cross-examination. Option A say contradicted, B say denied, C say disavowed, D say maintained, E say supported. When you contradict is the same as self opposition. When you contradict what you said, then denied is the same as disavowed. And when you disavow, it means that you denied what you said earlier. Then when you maintain, it means that you stood your ground. That is, you maintain your ground. Then when you support, it means that you agree or concord or affirmed. So support is in line. So we cannot say that the witness supported his testimony during cross-examination. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.